First ball of the semi-final. Starts with a drive ball and Warner's away. First ball 4. That's the ball you're looking for. That's the one they're looking for. Given first ball. Oh, what a shot that is. Up and over. Couple of bounces 4. Oh, edged and taken. What a start from England. What a start from Wokes. Peter Hanscom at the crease, battling. Oh, not for much longer. What a beauty. The nip back of the length is ideal.
But when it's up there, it's a lovely drive from Alex Carey.
Lovely shot from Steve Smith. A little short, Ben Stokes, on this occasion. Lovely, lovely shot from Steve Smith. Smith is just starting to get the feel for this now.
Oh, beautiful stroke.
Leg side. There's a man out there. Straight to him, surely. Yes. Straight to him. James Vince on as a fielding sub. Makes no mistake. James Vince was on for Plunkett. Smith moves to 50 in 72 deliveries.
Nice shot again. All the way for 6 from Mitchell Stark. Oh, that could be tight. That could be the end of Smith.
Running through. Thank you. I'm ready to make my decision.
Yeah, Steve Smith, unfortunately, he's going to have to go.
Another one goes. Stark follows Smith back to the pavilion, and it's Chris Wokes again.
What a performance from this England bowling attack.
England will need 224 from their 50 overs.
Oh, what a shot. Save your legs, Jason Roy. Chart. Really good shot, that. Oh, fine legs in play. Fine legs in play, but not for long. Just past him. What a shot from Roy. He's on the reverse now. Well played, Joe Root. They're in a hurry to get down to northwest London. Swatted away, leg side in front to square. That'll be 4 more for Root. He moves into the 40s. Hit away over mid-on. How fitting it is that Captain Morgan is the man that leads his team to Lords for a World Cup final. First time since 1992 England will be in a World Cup final. The home nation will be there. We will have a new name on that cup. It will be England or New Zealand.
Oh, yes, that is the start New Zealand were looking for. It is the big fish as well. Oh, that's close, very close indeed. Gone. Yeah, looked good. And another one. And another one. New Zealand all over India here.
Match will be delayed until tomorrow. The sun is out today in Manchester. Yesterday's gloom has been erased. There's a 5th too, I think. Oh, direct hit. Direct hit.
Thank you. I have made my decision.
An outstanding piece of throwing.
Now the fielder is in and he completes the catch. Fielders coming underneath, it should be taken. Another wicket goes down.
And New Zealand head out to try and defend. 239.
Edge and gone. Gone.
The best move made by Henry Nicholls and the best stroke played in the match so far.
That's a terrific shot. He just sits back, isn't it?
Still manages to find a way to get it down there, Williamson, and he'll pick up 4 as well. Chehal with the misfield.
Kevin, the keeper stumps. They're going to go. Got to get him. Direct it. Oh, direct it.
Thanks, Kevin. I've made my decision.
It says that magic 3-letter word. Ferguson. Done him for pace, done him for direction. He tries, he can't do it. There's a little touches there. It is, it's over. It's over. Latham takes the catch. Pyrotechnics go off. What a performance from New Zealand to defend 239 and do it by 18 runs and blow this tournament wide apart.